For over 100 years, Walt Disney Animation Studios has invited audiences to believe in things never thought possible. And so tonight, we once again invite you to wish upon stars, to step into the unknown, and to join us on this, our wondrous journey.
Some things start out big, and some things start out small. But sometimes the smallest thing can mean the biggest changes of all.
time can only take you part of the way. You gotta don't know it's a hard work of your own.
There's the trials and tribulations. You know I've had my share, but I'm glad. And I'm almost there. I remember the day told me fairy tales to come. But you gotta make up every
Will today be the day? Be ready to fly. Could take Troy. You got the makings of greatness in you, but you gotta take the helm and chart your own course. Stick to it, no matter the squalls. We could be immortals, immortals, but not for long.
Sometimes the only way I'm finding anything is when it's tested again every day.
I came here to make the world a better place, but I think I broke it.
I'm not the right person. You have to choose someone else. Choose someone else. Please.
Sometimes the world seems against you. The journey may leave us scarred. Scars can heal and reveal us where you are.
So, we come to the end of this chapter.
Oh no, please, can't we go back to page 1 and do it all over again?
But who? It's just another turn of the page. And I, for one, think what comes next will be wondrous.
Thank you for joining us at the Disneyland Resort 70th celebration and for being a part of our wondrous journeys.
Gracias por acompañarnos en la celebración del 70 aniversario del Disneyland Resort y por presenciar nuestro gran espectáculo nocturno Wondrous Journeys.